G'day gang, how you going? Skypilot FPV here. Anybody out there on the Emax Babyhawk R Pro? If you do, you might be thinking the VTX antenna has much to be desired. Yeah, this is running the Emax Cortex S1 FPV camera on board. Now I have noticed I've flown it a few times and I do have a couple of little issues with the reception, so I've gone on board an upgrade. If you guys aren't too sure about the Emax, yeah, check out my videos at the top there and have a read all about it. This is a super fun novice beginner type quad, super fast, super cool features, and sturdy as, let me tell you. So what I've got on board is a Realacc CC, it's actually the UXII 1.6 DBIC MMCX, little tiny lollipop antenna thingy majigamy. 5.5 to 6 gig this one is, apparently with 98% radiation efficiency. I didn't know that. 60mm long, put it on the scales, weighing in at 2.77 grams. Decent. Comes in a nice little package here with some protective foam around it. So what we're going to do here today, gang, is just going to show you guys how to run through and remove the stock VTX antenna and replace it with one that should work a lot better. So apparently this this lollipop is good for both transmitting or receiving, and as you can see I've got the 90-degree bend one. Let's rip the old one out and put the new one in. So as you can see, guys, you can remove the entire canopy, but I'm pretty sure we can actually get away with replacing the stock antenna with the new one without actually pulling the whole canopy off. So yeah, you can use your fingers if you wish, but if you have big clumsy fingers, I suggest using carefully use a pair of pliers. And it just pulls off like that, guys. It's nothing too hard about it. So this is hard. So now it's just a matter of putting the new one in, locating its spot, and giving it a nice gentle push until you hear it go click. So just get a bit of purchase on it, nice gentle push until she goes click, like so, and you know it's on because it doesn't come off, I suppose. Okay, once you're done there, lower the canopy down. Not too sure about this antenna here, I might modify that as well. Okay, so just move it over slightly, give it a bend, and there you have it. Easy as. I'm going to just stick on one of these pole antenna surrounds here just to tidy up this loose wire as well. Okay, stop the chit chat, let's get this sorted out. Here we go, gang, problem fixed. Looking a lot tidier, a lot neater, and hopefully the picture's looking a lot better with my little lollipop. Link down below, guys, like always, where I get all these really cool things from. Batteries, bits and pieces. Don't ever throw away any spares or parts or anything that breaks or you think you can't use again, because I guarantee you will be able to use it one day. Okay, I'm going to power up. I'm going to go for a fly, and we're going to switch over to some video. And yeah, you guys let me know, which do you think is better? Stock standard or mod upgrade? Let me know at the end. Thanks for dropping by. Skypilot, much appreciated. See you in the sky. Okay, let's shoot some footage. Thanks for stopping by. This thing is full on.